Hey, good day everyone. My name is Michael Moore here at the Shure booth at NAB 2026. Today what we'd like to talk about is some of Shure's brand new UC portfolio product. You've known Shure for many years as a part of the conference room solution with MXA mics as well as Microflex wireless. Last year we launched into the UC category specifically with our IMX room kit that was Microsoft Teams certified. We have the IMX RK 30, 50, 70, and 80 that were complete all-in-one kits that allowed you to add a display and a Teams license for a complete MTR system. We then launched last year at Infocom the foundation system that allows you to expand on the compute and control by adding the Microflex Next wireless devices along with the MXA 320, which is also brand new this year. Also, we have the MXP3 passive wall mount speakers that you see here as well to complement that system for the output audio portion. With this system, it allows you to provide your customer a fully certified and secure Microsoft Teams room deployment. We also have provided you a back-end Shure cloud monitoring and management system that allows you to safely and securely monitor all of your Shure ecosystem devices. This also provides you the ability to monitor the Microsoft Teams room devices through your normal Microsoft Pro portal. Now this year we have launched our brand new product, the IntelliMix Room Bar Pro. The IMX Bar Pro provides you with a unique 135-degree viewing angle that is unique to Shure's bar, and it is certified for Microsoft Teams Room Large and Medium. Also built into this bar is spatial speakers as well as advanced array technology that is new to this product as well. This is an Android-based product of Android 13 that also features the brand new secure platform of Microsoft MDEP. This allows you to provide a platform that is safe and secure and allows you all the features that are built into the Microsoft Pro Portal platform. The control panel as well is a network-based device that will also give you day two features such as a room scheduler that will connect to the bar and the room panel as well. For more information for all Shure products, please visit us at Shure.com.